Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so setup won't fail. Make sure Windows updates and NET are current, and you have your Outlook 2013 installer and license. Once done, gather your mail server details, IMAP or POP, SMTP, port numbers, and whether SSL or TLS is required. Then run the installer as administrator. Follow prompts until the account setup wizard appears. This immediate action prevents backtracking and speeds configuration when you add your first mailbox. You now configure the account. Pick Exchange for corporate accounts or IMAP/POP for standard mail. The choice affects folder sync and sent item behavior. Next, input your email address and password, then switch to manual setup to enter incoming and outgoing host names and port numbers. Specify SSL or TLS as required. Once entered, use the Test Account Settings button to verify authentication and server reachability. If the test succeeds, continue. If it fails, recheck credentials and ports before proceeding. You finish by syncing and customizing. Import PSD files or configure archive rules once messages download, and adjust send/receive intervals to balance immediacy and bandwidth. For Exchange, enable cached exchange mode for offline access and set mailbox size limits if required. Make sure to test sending and receiving with attachments and calendar items. If something goes wrong, use the built-in account repair. Recreate the Outlook profile via Control Panel or check port/encryption mismatches. That single repair step resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.